Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix the access exception violation in Stalker 2, and let's get straight into it. So a lot of people have this issue when there's like emissions going on and their game just crashes as soon as it happens. So some things that you guys can do is simply just turn down your graphic settings, instead of having it high or medium, put it to low or have it as set as custom. Another thing you guys can do is turn off frame generation off. In settings, just go ahead and turn off frame generation. It should be under graphics. This has helped fix a lot of other issues as well in the past with crashing and stuff, and try seeing what happens. And then once you do that, another thing you guys can do is go over to the Xbox Game Pass. If you have it downloaded from Xbox Game Pass, right click on Stalker 2, hit manage, go over to files, and then go ahead and just click on verify and repair files. This can fix any corrupt files that you have. It should be the same process for Steam. Go over to library, right click on it, and then it should be the same exact process. And then once you guys do that, I recommend restarting your PC, and then you guys should be good to go. You can always go ahead and quickly, you guys can always update your drivers if you have any issues with that. Update to the latest drivers, and then yeah, that should be it. I recommend turning off frame generation and just overall just turning your settings low, and then you guys should be good to go. And yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.